Okay guys, today we are going to review a product which is called Backyard Revolution. This is basically a solar panel, an innovative solar panel project guide which will help you to make a DIY solar panel. So first we will discuss why you need to think about some project or something like this. So as we know, we are in today's world we are facing an energy crisis. There is a high energy cost, and the cost of energy is continuously increasing in every country. So basically that's why the world is trying to move towards an alternative energy sources, also because of the dependency on the fossil fuel, and the fossil fuels are growing low, and because people are looking for alternative energy source. As we know that when the demand increases and supply lows, the cost also increases. So in order to prevent these problems, people are looking for alternative sources of energies, and because of those because of that alternative source of energy, Backyard Revolution helps to bring you closer. It's an innovative product, and you will find solar panels in a vertical tower. So by using a vertical tower, you can bring a lot of solar panels in it, and it is a better use of you can say solar panel. Also, it required less space as it is in a vertical tower, so you can place it anywhere in your home, in your backyard, anywhere. Also, it helps to lower your energy bills by giving you an alternative source of energy, so you are not relying on your electric company. That's why by bringing an alternative source of energy, a green source of energy, you are reducing fossil fuel use, and also covering your bills cost. Also, it is easy to make and lower in cost. That is a DIY, so you need less cost than traditional solar panels. So now let's see what will you get when you buy this program, or what is included in this program. So first of all, there is step-by-step instruction to form a 3D solar tower. You will get a guide which will help you form all the instructions and all the required items that you need to form this innovative item. So there will be a list of tools and many other free bonuses including in this program, and later we will see what is included in the members area. So there are a list of items or other things that will help you to achieve this 3D solar tower project. There will be video guides included in this program, so you can follow step by step and don't make any mistake, and all of this will be included in the members area. So now we look at what will be included in the members area. So this is basically the members area. When you purchase the Backyard Revolution, this is page will be appear. So here you can see that there is also a free gift included in this program when you buy. So this is basically a guide, Backyard Revolution, that you will be getting, and it is a PDF file you can download on your PC, and everything is included in this guide. So here you can download on your computer, and this is a 3D project. It is basically a 117 pages guide, and all the contents are included. There is distributed according to chapter wise. Chapter 1, you will find all the list of tools that you need, all the list of materials, parts dimension, assembly, buildings in pictures. All things are included as a step-by-step guide. All the wiring, connection, how you have to do. So, and there is also included 2 videos. So it's a 17-minute video. This video 1, 17-minute video 2. So you don't make any mistake. If you find any confusion in this guide, you can go towards these videos and helps you resolve this problem. There is also include a home version, which means it's basically a sizable section, meaning when you build this 3D solar tower, you can enhance it, or I can say that you can improve it by following these guides. You can further make improvements or make customization. You can download these guides, and it will help you to make further customization and how you can make this project better. There are also video included in this section.
Hey guys.
It is a 40 minutes video. You can watch it, and then there is a bonus section, and there are 3 PDF files included in these, and you will also get these, download these PDF files, and you can find everything so it's basically a 23 pages worth PDF file, and these 3. Also there is this free gift, and this is all the member area you will get when you buy this program. So this is a free bonuses. So let's go back. So you have a sneak peek of the member where you now know what you will be getting when you buy this Backyard Revolution program. Now the question arises, who is this product for? I mean, if you are the right person to purchase this product, if you are the right person who are interested in this program. So we see that people who are interested in DIY projects, they can go for this program. It's a very best opportunity for those who are interested and who are making DIY project, because this is also one of the type of DIY solar panel project. And people looking to go green, people looking for alternative source of energy, they want to bring more towards energy, they can also buy this program. Also, it is an innovative and alternative energy, so it is making the solar panels use as in a more innovative and a more refreshing way, you can say. So those who are looking for an innovative alternative, it's the best project. Also, if you want to save electricity bills, I mean, everybody want to save electricity, so those who want to cut down their bills is also a great project for them. So these are the people who should be buying, who should be interested. And there are other people, if you are interested, you are curious about this program, you should go for it. So let's see some pros and cons about this project. Pros include, it is easy to be made. I mean, it's not that hard. I mean, if you are experienced in some type of DIYs, or if you don't know anything how to make, you can hire a carpenter, go towards anyone who know woodworking. So you can easily find these items in stores, or you can follow the guide and you can make yourself also. It's a lower cost, obviously. The cost of making is much lower than traditional solar panels. It requires less space. It is a vertical tower, you can place it, you can make 2 or 3 or 4 devices like these, and you can place anywhere in your home. And it is a better use of solar, I think, and a new way of using solar power. So some of the cons we will be looking at, I mean, you need to put effort in this project. If you want to start this project, you need to you need to do something. You should be focusing on the doing aspects. There is a required list item, as we have seen in the PDF file, that there is some listed item that you need to have in order to start building this project. So you need to go out, you need to bring those listed items, and it's all about the doing aspects. And you should have a spare time. I mean, if you are doing full-time jobs, then you can do it in weekends. So you should make a scheduled time to cover this project or to make this project. So these are some of the pros and cons I find myself facing, so you should be looking on these. Now the question is, where to purchase the project, where you can buy this program. The answer is simple. You can get the copy of Backyard Revolution by clicking the link in the description, or if you are watching on a blog or a website, you can find some link below and you can purchase this program yourself and experiment with it. Okay, this is the Backyard Revolution review, an explained review. I think I have covered, so it will help you make a purchasing decision. Thank you for watching.